The rise of remote work and video conferencing has made communication platforms like Microsoft Teams more popular than ever. But what if you don't want to appear on camera during a meeting? Or you need a break from constant calls? Microsoft has the answer with their new feature, Microsoft Teams Avatars. With Microsoft Teams Avatars, you can swap in a 3D avatar that will animate based on your vocal cues alone, no camera needed at all. You can customize your avatar to reflect your personality and preferences, including skin color, hair color, facial hair, and clothing. Plus, you can set your avatar's background to match your personality or work environment. This new feature offers a more personal touch to online communication, allowing individuals to express themselves and engage with others in a virtual setting. The avatars also make it easier to identify the speaker during meetings or conference calls, providing a more personalized touch to the conversation. Microsoft Teams avatars are a great way to bring some fun and levity to online meetings, making them more enjoyable and engaging for everyone involved. With Microsoft Teams avatars, you can personalize your profile picture and have some fun in your virtual meetings. Try it out today.